Lighting can make or break a scene, but setting up complex Gobo setups and managing multiple light sources often takes way too long. Lm Studio and Gobo Creator 3 is the complete solution for artists who want professional lighting results without the headache. It is a streamlined workflow that puts intuitive controls right at your fingertips. The star of the show is the newly upgraded Gobo Creator 3. It allows for rapid prototyping of both static and animated Gobos. The icon gallery is 10 times faster, letting you load custom folders and preview your effects instantly. You get smart presets for real-world lighting, blackbody intensities, and a one-click control system. Just select a light, hit Alt-X, and tweak every detail without digging through properties panels. It is designed for both cycles and EV, with optimized buttons for each engine. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this tool reduces unnecessary clicks and guesswork. If you are watching on YouTube, the link is in the description. If you are on our website, click the Buy button to start lighting your scenes like a master.